In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate auto-captions in Clipchamp. Captions are a simple way to make your videos more accessible, easier to follow on mute, and more searchable. The good news is that Clipchamp includes a built-in AI captioning tool, so you can go from raw footage to readable subtitles in just a couple of clicks. Start by bringing your video into Clipchamp. Import your file into the project so it appears in your media library, then drag it onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. If you have multiple clips, make sure the one you want captions for is on the timeline and in the correct order. It helps to check that your audio is audible and not muted, since the AI needs clear speech to understand what's being said. If your audio is very quiet or there's heavy background noise, consider a quick pass with audio cleanup before moving on, as clearer sound usually means better transcription. Next, look for the Captions control. Depending on your layout, you'll see a CC button or a Captions option in the preview area or in the Properties panel when your clip is selected. If your window is small, it might be tucked behind a menu labeled Captions or Closed Captions, so expand panels or click the More Options icon if you don't see it right away. The key is to select the option that opens the Captions tool for the clip on your timeline. Now choose your caption language and start the transcription. Pick the language that matches the speech in your video, then click Transcribe Media or Generate Captions. Clipchamp will use AI speech-to-text to create subtitles automatically, and you'll see a progress indicator while it works. The processing time depends on the length of your video and the clarity of the audio. Once it's done, the captions will appear synced to your video and visible in the preview, ready to follow along as you play. A few tips to get the most accurate results. Select the exact language variant that matches your speakers, avoid overlapping music during key dialogue, and speak at a natural pace. It's normal for the AI to occasionally miss technical terms or brand names, especially if they're uncommon. After generation, you'll see the text the AI produced, which makes it easy to spot any words that might need attention. You can also adjust how captions look so they're legible against your footage. Think contrast, size, and placement. And that's it. Import your video and drop it on the timeline, open the Captions tool, choose your language, and generate. You'll have clear, time-aligned subtitles in minutes, ready to help your audience watch and understand your content anywhere.